if you look carefully on the map, you'll see that little structure. That helps us locate ourselves. I don't know if you can see that. There's a waterfall, and beside the waterfall, so point to it, just about there. You see that? So that's that shed. We're about to go to the waterfall, which I can hear. So far so good. There's the waterfall. Now I wonder if the structure that's on the map is actually that thing down there beside the water. Could be. Yeah, I've had to drag out the neckie. Guess who didn't bring his sun hat today? Looking at the forecast, I thought, I never need a sun hat. So I've got a woolen hat. It's too hot for this weather and for climbing. So neckie will do the job until the sun goes away. There it is, Pheiginn Bothy. I hope it's got Pheiginn. Bothies are structures like this you'll find in Scotland for hill climbers, hikers, maintained by the Mountain Bothies Association usually. Gosh, this neckie looks ridiculous. Let's get rid of it. Oh, it's better. Right, start again. Mountain Bothies are structures found in the Highlands, generally I suppose in the Highlands of Scotland, maintained by the Mountain Bothies Association and free to use. I'm just saying, just go in. Where's the Pheiginn?
It's in there.
Ah.
Yeah. You can have a nice look.
Right.
It's quite nice.
Let's have a look inside it. I was just explaining to folk, Mountain Bothies Association maintains these places.
Yeah, and the people that use them.
And the people that use them look after them. They don't abuse them because they might be dependent on them sometime in the snow or in bad weather. So you've always got little things like what, candles, what else? This place, the smallest one I've seen, I think, this one, isn't it?
That's basic. But
Very
that's
basic.
all you need. It's been abused to sign up there saying.
Oh no.
That's a shame.
That's a pity. Malicious damage. Yeah. Yeah, that's not on. People should bring their own firewood or material to burn when they come up and not just look for anything in the surroundings.
No. But
Anyway. Yeah.
Let's have lunch.
Let's have lunch. A good idea. So what have they got? Things. Probably games. What you got? Games. Sprat in tomato sauce.
I've just stuck.
Oh, how old is it? You would need to be stuck, wouldn't you?
Well, that's what it's there for. Someone's left it there with the nicest of intentions.
Oh yeah, the third 2026. That's alright.
It's probably been there 10 years maybe.
Yeah, it's fine. Right, have a wee bit of lunch. You've always got a wee table. And usually there's somewhere you can lie down on, but not in this one. You just have to make do with the floor.
Yeah.
It's better than outside.
It's a shelter.
Aye, basic shelter. Well, what a view you get from it. Look at that. You can knock your head on that if you're not careful as you rush to see the view.
Barbecue's it.
Aye, so the barbecue and wee fire. That'd be great. Yeah, you just sit there amongst the sheep muck having your barbecue. Brilliant. Right, I'm going to have my lunch.